So I'm going over there.
Hey, hon, you think of the stone, boy.
No public gatherings, and certain people have to stay in their house, and the National Guard will bring their groceries and stuff to them.
Good morning, Philippines!
7 o'clock na, guys. Alam niyo, guys, naginip ako, guys. Nakahiga-higa pa ako dito ba? Nakahiga pa ako dito. Ay, nagising ako. 7 o'clock na. Ano na bang oras? 7:06 na. 7 o'clock ng umaga. Nanaginip ako, guys. Ang panaginip ko is sabuki rin ako. And may bayabas, may puno ng bayabas yung auntie ko. Kumuha ako ng kubunga kasi gusto kong nagutom ako. So, ang nangyari, nahulog ako. Kaya nagising ako. Iba pa naman yung managinip ka na, ano, yung nahulog ka, tumigas yung buong katawan ko, guys. Dito pa sila kasi hindi pa kami bumangon, look. Good morning, guys. Si Habs andun. Hindi kaya ni Habs yung ano ko. Kasi lihukan man ako yung parang you look so white. You look so white. You look so white, Bibila. She's so white, guys. And she is so clean. She is so white and clean. Seven o'clock na, guys. Look. Madilim pa yung bahay namin, guys. Okay. Anong temperature ngayon? 52. Kaya hindi maginaw. Hello, guys. So, ngayon, guys, mag-ano tayo. Uminom na ako ng mga tubig mo. Ang tubig, isang baso. So, ngayon, it's time for me to cut. Hold on. So, gawa lang tayo ng breakfast, guys. I'm not going to have a bread. I'm going to have a real breakfast. May plano ako ngayong araw. Kasi gusto kong pumunta sa grocery. So, yung breakfast natin is spam, egg, and yun. Nag-alala ako sa kami kung ano ng mga mangyayari. Ano yan. Takot ako, baka sana okay siya ngayong araw. And ang ano ko is magpunta ako grocery para magbili ng pagkain. Hold on, guys, andito na si Misty. If you're din Misty. So ngayon, guys, luto tayo ng hindi na natin lagyan ng oil kasi mag-oil kasi yan. So ito yun natin. Real breakfast tayo, guys. Egg, spam and rice, and coffee. Pero gusto kong pumunta sa grocery para magbibili ng mga apple, pagkain tami, salad. Gusto ko yung gawin and then dalhin doon. And I don't know kung sasabihin ko sa kanya or kasi kapag sasabihin ko sa kanya, sabihin niya wag. Gusto kong sabihin sa kanya para para ma-sure na hindi siya lalabas. And then kapag meron talaga siyang nararamdaman, bawal talaga siyang lumabas. Kasi makahawa siya sa mga tao. Sakit yung likod ko, guys. Anyway, ito yung sinuot ko kahapon. Hindi ito yung sinuot ko kahapon na nagkakat ako ng grass. Ibang red ito, guys. Kung tignan nyo sa previous, yung nagkakat ako, ibang red na shirt. So, ito iba naman siya. Pero ayaw ko mag-ano kayo, yun yung ginamit niya, nagkat ng hair, and then tinulog niya, no? Hindi. Kasi marami yung buhok yung sinuot ko kahapon na pula. Kain lang po tayo ng breakfast. Hindi na kailangan lagyan ng oil kasi mag-prito na yan siya kasi may oil kasi to. Parang nag-produce siya ng oil. Misty, eat your dinner. Eat your dinner over there. Eat your dinner. Go eat your dinner. Ay, kailangan mag-wash ng hand. Let's have some breakfast. Ang tayong egg. Ayaw, sinabihan ko si Tami, ayaw niya akong pumunta talaga doon. Kaya, yun yung pinakaano talaga, ang tigas ng ulo ni Tami. Ayaw niya akong pumunta doon. Ang sarap ng breakfast. Kapag ganito ba? Nandito si Habs. Naghintay ng bread kasi gusto niya yung bread.
My drink.
You drink your crap? So, I'm going over there.
Hey, hon, you think of the stone, boy.
I'm gonna buy you salad, food, and snacks, and apple.
It's not a good idea.
Why is not? I told you I'm not gonna go in.
It doesn't matter. You're driving 4 hours for what, hon?
Oh, you give me a heart attack, honey.
I can go to the shop right and buy a salad myself. It's not a big deal. But
Yeah, you cannot go out, honey, if you're feeling not good.
I have to go out anyway at some point, so what's the difference? 4 hours is crazy.
4 hours. Why you say 4 hours?
How long does it take you to get here? At least an hour and a half, right? And to get back, and if there's traffic, so I figured it's at least 3 hours total plus.
What? At least I see you.
Yeah, I know. And for what? I think it's a mistake. That's my mistake. That's all I look at that.
Honey, I feel like you are avoiding me. You want to be alone.
Hon, how am I avoiding you? Because I try to tell you like what's intelligent, what's not intelligent?
I feel like you don't want to be with us anymore.
And you know that's not true, hon. You just know you just want to do what you want to do your way. You know as much as I know that's a crazy thing.
So ngayon hindi ako aalis dahil dito lang tayo sa bahay. So nagtry ako mag-renew ng mag-renew ng driver's license online. Kaso hindi pala pwede, kailangan mo pumunta talaga doon, magpa-doctor test ka, eye test. Si Tami noon, siya sa online, nag-renew siya sa online, pero pumunta siya sa doktor para pa-check up yung mata niya. So ako, may bayad yun, kasi pumunta ka ng eye doctor. Pero ngayon, sabi ko, punta na lang ako sa DMV, in person, para doon na ako matingnan nila yung mata ko or something. And yun lang. So, let's see kung anong mga mangyayari, kaganapan, guys. Maglinis lang ako, guys. I know, ayaw ni Roxy tong ganitong mga maglilinis-linis. And gusto ko lang mag-dimples. Good girl, look at that. She looks smaller. Hello, good girl kasi na, baby. Good girl kasi na. Good girl, baby ni mama na. Yes, you are a good girl, mama. You still have a little bit long hair over here. I'm going to cut it, okay? Makakita na ang baby ni mama. Ang payat ni baby Roxy. Wala ng buhok. Maganda si Roxy kapag yung buhok niya is mataas. Kasi sobrang soft talaga itong asong to. As in, yung ng buhok niya is hindi madaling madumihan. I mean, hindi siya maamoy na aso. Si Misty is sobrang maamoy talaga niya. Lalo't na kapag tumaas yung buhok na. Kailangan talaga siyang i-care. Parang isprayhan mo siya. Yung mga waterless shampoo, ganon. Si Roxy okay na okay talaga. Rox, pero mama cannot handle your long hair anymore. Your hair is very long. And mama have to clean a vacuum here. Because always vacuum because I always see long hair. And it's mama's tired. Yeah, you look so funny though. You look so funny. You look so funny, Nay. You look too funny. You look too funny. Oh, no, baby niya, mama niya. Patchy man, I don't know how to cut your hair. Si Misty, nice looking man na siya kasi black. Hindi halata yung mga napahak-pahak. Mama, cut your hair. Look at that. Napahak manandunggan. Oy, napahak manandunggan sa baby ni mama. Look at that. Mama, you pahak-pahak may dunggan. Napahak naman na, mama. Bakit mo nagalit kasi kinausap ko si Misty. Ganyan yan siya, galit. Kapag kausapin ko yung sister niya, galit man na palagi niya, uy. Hello, Mitch. Kanya pa na. Nagagama naman kikang. You're so clean and soft. You're so clean and soft and smell so good with your shampoo. Yes, you are. Yes, you look so nice, baby. Hala, galit. Galit yan, guys. Ganyan yan siya. Miti ka. Lap-lap ni mama. Ang lap-lap ni mama. Lap-lap ni mama. You miss your dada too? We do. We do miss dada, right? Look, magkahimos na lang. Pagkahimos akong mga anak. Ako mga anak ng mga himos. Mga himos. Ay, Diyos, magkahimos. Magkahimos, Diyos. Somebody is going to throw up? Is that you, Misty? Don't throw up, Misty. Don't throw up. That's not illegal. That's illegal here. Babalik na naman ako, guys. Walang katapusang pagbabalik kasi isa akong nagbablog. Anyway, ngayon, kakain na naman tayo. Walang katapusang kainan. Nag-usap kami ni Tami. Nanonood ako ng news, diba, about sa New Rochelle. Si Governor Como nagsasalita. May mga, ano daw, parang military. Parang, kung hindi ito, kung tataas yung number, parang zombie apocalypse yung nandun sa lugar yung pinupuntahan ko palagi, yung doon kay Tami. So yon, parang nakakatakot na, sabi pa ng asawa ko. Sabi ko, pupunta ka na sa grocery, kailangan niyang mag-grocery. Parang okay naman yung pakiramdam niya, pero buong New Rochelle talaga. Kung kainin natin itong gulay, para meron tayong gulay. But anyway, so yun yung balita, guys. Sa area doon is parang military na, parang I think very soon, parang military na yung attack doon. Kasi attack talaga.
Well, you find it?
Right here. Because I miss...
I'm on your internet blog.
He told me, guys, he just finished making some, what is it?
Tuna fish.
Tuna fish, yeah. So you guys, Tommy told me that the New Rochelle place is in a war zone.
Not a war zone, like doing a quarantine.
It's not even a quarantine, Handy said.
Who says?
In the news, it says it's only for like they don't allow any like public gathering. You cannot do it in the town of New Rochelle.
Right, that's the start of it. Quarantine, no public gatherings, and certain people have to stay in their house, and the National Guard will bring their groceries and stuff to them, and then they go from there.
So they have National Guard there.
Like I said, they had a meeting, and they're talking about possibly extending the boundaries of the quarantine to 1 mile outside of the city itself.
So what is that National Guard? Explain to them, honey.
And everybody, all your viewers know what it is. It's a division. It's a division of military, like the regular military, but in an emergency situation, they call the National Guard. These are people who have regular jobs, and when they call them, they have to leave the regular jobs and go to National Guard duty.
Yeah, it's kind of scary because now New Rochelle, next time, if it's gonna get worse, honey, next time it will be like it's gonna be like you cannot go out. They give you fine, just like now what happened in Italy.
Well, it may get to that, but right now it's not there yet. If it gets to that, then that'll be another issue.
The one in Italy, it's really, they're struggling, honey.
Yeah, well, look at their numbers. It's jumped to the roof. They're 8,000.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's a lot of cases.
Yeah, but for some reason, the Asian country like Korea and Singapore, they're doing something good over there.
Are they, or you not getting the true numbers?
No, I heard that they are doing like a, how do you call this? They have this testing kit already good running. Medication testing kit. But over here, it's very slow. And Donald Trump have like, he's not even like, I don't know. It's like,
well, everything is slow over here. We go over here, you gotta wait for government approval. It's gotta go through tests for.
so why you're going up without even eating, hon?
I'm not hungry right now.
Oh my God, that's the problem.
That's the problem. Everything is a problem.
Show me what you have in the kitchen.
Okay.
Okay guys, he's going upstairs guys. I'm going down. Give my kids company down there. Because I can't stop laughing at Roxy. She won't stop looking at me, honey. Staring at me, and then looking and wiggling and wiggle and stuff. My husband's in bed. Why the camera is tilted, hon?
Oh yeah.
I love you.
Love you too, hon.
The two dogs are fighting with the ducky.
Doing what?
They're fighting with the ducky. Yeah.
They're playing.
Look how white is Roxy, honey.
Yeah.
She's so white. She's looking at us. Dada's here.
Where's my ducky? Ducky duck.
The Dada said duck
Where's my
duck.
ducky duck?
Dada said give the duck duck. Give the duck duck. Where's the duck duck? Look at
Let's
her.
go get the ducky.
Look at her. She's like so white. Look at her.
Yeah, my ducky ducky duck.
That's the ducky duck duck.
That's a ducky duck.
She gave you honey. Look, she gave you. Honey, she gave you the duck.
Thank you for bringing me the ducky duck.
Look, Mixie's grabbing it. Dada said you're a good girl, Rox. Dada said you're a good girl.
Big girl. Little monkey girl.
What, Dada? You hear Dada's voice? You heard him? She's looking at the thing. She's so white and look at her. She's not, bro.
Yep.
She's...
Puppy, uppy, uppy.
I will let you go to sleep now. Say good night.
Get you find your camera. Good night, guys.
This is our thing right now, guys. We are just like FaceTiming. Okay, I will let you relax. Did you take something?
What?
Did you take some medicine?
Yeah.
What did you take?
No. I took the tea with honey. Oh, yeah. But I left my water downstairs, so I gotta go back down and get my water.
So ngayon, guys, it's already 7:23 already ng ano, grabe. Ang bilis ng ano. I'm going to watch the TV and I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope I will see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. Good night. Good night guys.